I'm ready to try a TikTok pasta using Boursin. I may even learn a little bit about Boursin too. Let's make it. The recipe calls for Boursin garlic and herb, but I just found this fig balsamic for a much cheaper price. You start by putting 2 of these into your glass baking dish. 2 pints of cherry tomatoes gets poured around that cheese. Drizzle on some olive oil, a nice amount of salt, and black pepper, some garlic, and some red pepper flakes. I'm gonna bake this at 375 for 30 to 35 minutes. Boursin was created by a cheesemaker in the Normandy region of France. He started a cheese shop in 1959 there. His name was Francois Boursin. And in 1961, a newspaper put out an article saying, "Boursin, they're making a cheese with garlic in it." And Boursin thought, "Oh no, I've never created anything like that." So he decided to come up with a garlic-infused cheese, which he put out to the masses in 1963, and Boursin became a household name. Meanwhile, I'm going to cook up some rotini. It's out of the oven and looking great. Time to add on that cooked pasta, as well as some fresh cut basil, and a cup of cut baby spinach, and a half a cup of leftover pasta water. We're gonna fold that all in. Cover it with some grated Parmesan and get ready to serve. So creamy. Boursin Pasta. Great texture. All the flavors coming right through. It's a pop in my mouth. Boursin. Bonsoir. I started a dating site for chickens, but it's not my main job. I'm just doing it to make hens meat.